ka office jong ka Divisional Soil and Water Conservation Nongstoin rengkat bat ka Project Manager District Watershed Cell Kom Data Center West KHASI Hills kala Rakhe ya ka World Environment Day hapo ka pang pedeng land restoration, desertification and drought resilience. Haga juk kapor kila pelait ru ya ka restoration of degraded land and water sources conservation. Na ka benta ka West KHASI Hills bat ka Eastern West KHASI Hills District. U Commissioner but Secretary ka Soil and Water Conservation u Joram Bedi ulalong u kongsan ha ka jinga donlang u Deputy Commissioner u ba Gideon Karmau Plang na Lord Kiwepan. Hatura u Deputy Commissioner jangka West Karo Hills u Jagdish Chelani ula ajing keren ha ka ni kasngi kabala long ha North Eastern Hill University Tura campus. Lapen yait lang ya ka ni kajing Rakhe lembat katanat Department of Forestry bat ka Department of Horticulture.
And the theme which KHASI forgot is land restoration, stopping desertification and building drought resilience. Which is very apt. Though he forgot the theme, but by and large he covered all the aspects.
Hakasin jam